Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to stop Facebook from showing ads. So let me show you the steps you can follow to stop that. Here, just head over to your Facebook and go to settings and then go to privacy and ads. And in here, select or click on add topics and select see fewer or for unwanted categories. Click on advertisers and select hide all ads from the advertiser for those you wish to avoid. In ad settings, you can turn off personalized ads by toggling the activity information from ad pattern settings to not allowed. So there are some additional tips for reducing ads. The first one is install ad blocking extensions like AdBlock Plus in your browser. Click on the three dots on the top right corner of an ad and then provide feedback about what you are seeing while you are seeing it. And if you receive emails about Facebook ads, you can unsubscribe at any time. So yeah, this is how you can stop Facebook from showing ads. We will see you in the next video.